Crafty, and welcome to my video today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Blessed2Scrap workshop for February, and it's these two layouts. I'm going to share them with you, but I want to share with you the product that I used. It's in the current spring Stampin' Up catalog. So this catalog that just went live last month, it's January through April's catalog, and the product I use starts on page 30. It is the Regency Park product, and I actually did not even have plans to use this month, but I used some of it for my paper party last weekend, and I just ended up loving it so much I wanted to use it. So you can see here I have the paper. The paper is 6x6. It's a 6x6 pad, which is kind of a bummer to work with 12x12 layouts, but I totally figured it out, and in my video for the workshop, I share some tips on how to use 6x6 paper if you're doing 12x12 layouts, because it can kind of be it can be a little bit of an issue. So you can see I've used a lot of this paper between the cards I made for Paper Party and then also doing the layouts. I've used quite a bit of it. And the other thing that I share in the workshop videos is using paper. Like, I only had one pack of this and I had made cards with it, so I didn't have like all of the designs to work with, and I share some workarounds for that and how to be a little bit creative with your paper. So I used the paper, and then I actually ended up having both of these stamp sets. So this stamp set here goes with the punch, and I'm going to show you how I used it on the layout. I didn't actually realize I had bought both. I think I actually got one as a gift. I think I got this one as a gift, and then I purchased this one. Like, I earned this one through something else. So this was really cool. I really loved using this. At first I was like, this punch does not, I don't get it. But then once I started punching with it and then stamping, it was really awesome. So I stamped some and used the punch, and then I used the stamp set directly on the layout. I'm going to show you that in just a second. So I used that. And then the other thing I had was the second bundle. And originally I was going to use this for some of the sentiments, and I actually ended up not using this stamp set at all, but I used the dies. And I'm all out of magnetic pieces to do my die, so I just kind of have them here in a pile, but I cut all the flowers, and these pieces here I totally used. And then these are some of my favorite embellishments from this catalog. They're so beautiful, the blue and the yellow. It's like I just want to do so much with blue and yellow and use those, but I used all of these with the layout too. So that's the product I used. I also pulled out of my stash this ribbon. This is like the plaid navy ribbon. I don't think that it is available anymore. I think it's retired, but it went beautifully with these projects. So let me show you both of the layouts. All right, here is the first layout. Again, I really love the way this came out. This is for my Blessed2Scrap workshop. So if you want to get the process videos of me making both of these layouts, the PDF with all of the measurements for both of these layouts, there is a link below. You can sign up. It's $14.99 a month. You get 2 process videos and a PDF each month. Plus we have a very active Facebook group where I do 2 additional projects in that, the Facebook group each week. There is also a website, so if you're not on Facebook, I totally understand. I totally get that. You get everything emailed to you, but then there is also a website where you can go to and log in and see all the information if you don't want to be on Facebook. So there is a link below in the YouTube description or over on my website. Again, it is $14.99 a month. You get 2 process videos. So both of the process videos for these pages, putting them together, I share tips with you. I share my process on actually making it. One of the videos is a little over 30, well, they're both around 30 minutes. One is in real time, so I don't even speed, it's this one here when I'm making this one. I don't speed it up at all, and I walk you through all of the steps in real time, so you can see what it's like, how long it really takes to make these. I used the 6x6 paper on here. You totally can't even tell that this is 6x6 paper once it's all put together. I did some stamping directly on my layout. You see with the flowers here, here, and here. I used white ink and stamped on there, and then I stamped my title on here. And then here is where I used those dies. I just cut those out and used them. I have some other product on here from my stash, and I share that as well. So that's the first layout. This is probably my favorite layout out of the two. And then here is the second layout. It could go this way, but you know what? I designed it to go this way. But now that I look at it this way, if the XOXO was, it would totally look awesome this way too. So here is the second. This one was really fun to create. I used some alpha stamps that I had, and I did some fussy cutting of that. And then here is where I stamped those flowers, and then I colored them with the ink pad and a Wink of Stella. I showed that in the process video. And then I added the ribbon over here along with a few more flowers. We did some stamping here and fussy cut these out and layered them. And then I talked about blocking these blocks and blocking a layout and how I decide to do that, and the sizes and thought process that goes into that. On the PDF that you get when you join Blessed2Scrap, you get all of the measurements for everything. So it is a really simple PDF to follow. It shows you all of the pieces, colors you're gonna need, pattern paper. And the great thing is that you could use any pattern paper you have on hand. You don't have to use the paper that I'm using this month. That is the beauty of this workshop, is I'm not shipping anything, so you're not required to have any of the product on hand that I use. You can take products you already have in your stash, the PDF, the process videos, and you can put together these layouts, and it's that easy. So I would love for you to join me. When you join, you get this month's workshop plus last month's workshop. So if you missed out on January's workshop, you will also get access to January's workshop as well. So for $14.99, you can get 4 layouts, and you will get 2 PDFs and 4 process videos this month. So that's always really awesome too. You can join anytime, you can cancel anytime. It's super easy. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them and chat with you. I know there has not been a lot of crafty videos on my channel in the last couple weeks. I had my paper party last weekend, and then we just had some heavy family news. If you were in the paper party, you know I shared that. I also, I think, shared on my, I might have shared on my Facebook page, or maybe even here on YouTube. We just had some heavy family stuff that has happened. And so I just have not had a lot of time to craft just for a YouTube video. I've had like deadlines I've had to get to, like I had this that needed to get done, my paper party that needed to get done. But next week I will be back with Suite of Possibilities with Pip, and there'll be some craftiness there. And then you will also be seeing next week on Project Life Thursday, on my Thursday video, you will actually be seeing a very long process video I've been filming for the last couple weeks as I've put together my January Project Life pages, and you will see that. So there's some craftiness coming. I apologize that the last few videos have just been strictly me sharing and not crafting. We'll get back to it, I promise. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. I look forward to you joining Blessed2Scrap. You can do that in the description box below. There is a link, and I will catch you guys next week with some new videos and some new crafty fun. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone. So much for watching my video today. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that you can check out. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you're notified when I post a video. I post 2 to 3 times a week. So I will catch you in my next video.